Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you? I hope you are doing well. Again, I am requesting you please stay at home and stay safe and healthy in this situation. I am back with yet another video of important month and day series. It is September month. If you are not still seen the previous month's important series, you can see the last month's link will be given here. We are in September month important day and date series. It will be helping you for remembering. So without any wastage of time, let's start. Starting with National Nutrition Week. National Nutrition Week is observed every year 1st September to 7th September. Agenda is provide knowledge among about the importance of nutrition and importance of human body for better health. Next, we are on 5th September, important day. International Day of Charity is celebrated. It is celebrated for commemorate the anniversary Mother Teresa of Calcutta. Teachers Day we have celebrated also in 5th September. It is celebrated 5th September on birth anniversary of first Vice President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan sir. 7th September, important day, International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies. This year theme is Clean Air for All. On 8th September, we have celebrated International Literacy Day. Theme was literacy teaching and learning in the COVID-19 crisis and this beyond. Ninth September, important day, International Day to protect educational from attack. The day draws attention to the plight of more than 75 million of the age group of 3 to 18 years old in 35 crisis affected countries and to their urgent need of educational support. 10 September, we have celebrated World Suicide Prevention Day. 12 September, important day, we have celebrated International Day of South-South Cooperation. The day celebrates the economic, social and political developments made in recent year by regions and countries in the South. On 12 September, second World First Aid Day is celebrated. This day is observed on second Saturday of September every year. In 2020, this day is observed to 12th September, so that we are celebrating World First Aid Day in this day. The day was started by the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Society in 2000. On 14th September, important day, we have celebrated Hindi Divas or Hindi Day. 15th September, important day, International Day of Democracy we are celebrated. 15th September, important day, this is the second day, National Engineers Day. The day marks the birth anniversary of Sir M.B., which is Moksha Visvesvaraya sir, which is popularly basically Sir M.B., the father of modern Mysore, also we are calling. 16th September, important day, International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. This year theme was Ozone for Life, 35 years of ozone layer protections. 17th September, important day, World Patient Safety Day. This year theme we have celebrated as Health Worker Safety, a priority for patient safety. 18th September, important day, World Bamboo Day. Theme was Bamboo Now. This year is 11th edition of Bamboo Day. Second, we have celebrated International Equal Pay Day. On the 18th September, we have also celebrated World Water Monitoring Day. Theme was Solve Water. 19th September, important day, International Coastal Clean Up Day. This day is traditionally held on the third Saturday September every year. On the 2020, this day is held on 19th September. This year theme we have celebrated Achieving a Trash-Free Coastline. Second, we have celebrated International Red Panda Day. International Red Panda Day is celebrated on 3rd Saturday of September every year. On 2020, this day is also celebrated on 19th September. The day also celebrated raise public awareness, support to Red Panda conservation issues. The first Red Panda Day was celebrated on 18th September 2010. On 21st September important day, we have celebrated International Day of Peace. Theme is Shaping Peace Together. International Day of Peace was established in 1981 by the United Nations General Assembly. Secondly, we have celebrated World Alzheimer's Day. Theme was Let's Talk About Dementia. 22nd September important day, we are celebrated World Rhino Day. This was created attempt to generate awareness about the endangered animal with all 5 species: black, white, greater horn, Sumatran and Javan. This is the 5 type of rhino. We have due for the prevention, we are celebrating World Rhino Day. 23rd September important day, we are celebrating International Day of Sign Language. This year's theme was Sign Language for Everyone. International Day of Sign Language is celebrated annually across the world on 23rd September every year, along with International Week of Deaf. On 24th September, we have celebrated World Maritime Day. Theme is Sustainable Shipping for a Sustainable Planet. International Maritime Organization headquarters is London, which is UK. International Maritime Organization founded on 17th March 1948. On 25th September important day, we have celebrated World Pharmacist Day. This year theme was Transforming Global Health. On 26th September important day, we have celebrated World Environmental Health Day. This year theme is we have celebrated Environmental Health, a key public health intervention in disease pandemic prevention. Secondly, we have celebrated International Day for the total elimination of nuclear weapons. 27th September important day, we have celebrated World Tourism Day. This year theme is Tourism and Rural Development. On 28th September important day, we have celebrated International Day for the Universal Access to Information. This year theme, we have celebrated Access to Information, Saving Lives, Building Trust, Bringing Hope. This day is commonly known as Access to Information Day. Initially, the day was designed by UNESCO in November 2015. On 28th September important day, we have celebrated World Rabies Day. This year theme was End Rabies, Collaborate and Vaccinate. 20th September important day, we have celebrated World Heart Day. This year theme is Use heart to beat cardiovascular disease. On 29th September important day, we have celebrated International Day of Awareness on Food Loss and Waste Reduction. The theme is Stop Food Loss and Waste for the People, for the Planet. On 30th September important day, we have celebrated International Translation Day. This year theme is Finding the Words for a World in Crisis. This is all in the September series. We will be back on October series. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Please like, subscribe, share and suggest if any improvement is required. Thank you for watching.